Hi guys, this is phobia-tech and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video in Arduino programming tutorial. Okay, let's go to the video now. What is Arduino? Arduino is a simple programmable circuit, just like small computer. We can program it to input data, process and perform some action as output. We can make a simple color light pattern to complex robot using this Arduino. Let's see. Okay, this is my nano board. Also you can buy different type of Arduinos like Arduino Uno, Nano, Pro, Mini, Mega, but I recommend to use Uno board or Nano board as a beginner. This is the main part of this Arduino board. This is Atmel Mega 328P IC. You can get more information about this IC from my phobia.tech website. And here is the oscillator. This oscillator will help to run this IC. And here is the reset button to reset the program. And we can see here 4 lights, and these 2 will indicate the serial communication, RX and TX, and other one is power light, and this one is for output. We can get simple output from this light. And here is the port. This port is the USB mini B port. We can use this port to connect this port with our PC. You can use this data cable. This can plug here, and this is normal USB port. We can plug this to your PC. And downside we have another IC. This IC will help to serial communication. And here we have regulator. This port working with 5 volt. At some time we want to 3 volt output from this port. At that case we have to use this regulator. This regulator generates 3.3 volt from this 5 volt. And here we have 36 pins, and this pin will help to us to connect component with this board. And here you can see D2 to D13 pin, and this pins are used to connect digital signals with this board. And this A0 to A7 port is used to connect analog signals with this board. And we have 5 volt pin here and 3.3 volt pin here, and 2 reset pin. Here is one and other one is here, and two ground pin. Here is one and here is other one, and other pins are used to communicate with serial communication. This is Arduino Nano board, and you get Arduino Uno board. You can see that board will larger than this one. Also some component will larger than this component in that Uno board. And but don't worry, the same procedure will work with 2 board. This pin out and all component are same in 2 board. Okay, we can see how to program this thing in our next video. Have a nice day. Stay with our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.